Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today, we've got a jaw-dropping first look at Samsung's Galaxy G Fold, a tri-fold powerhouse that's officially entering limited production. Let's explore why this might be the boldest and wildest foldable yet. Originally teased at Galaxy Unpacked alongside the Z Fold 7, the G Fold is expected to begin limited production in September, initially rolling out in South Korea and China before hitting other regions. This tri-fold design folds twice inward, opening up into a massive 10-inch OLED display, tablet magnitude in your pocket. It's an ambitious leap beyond the dual folds we've seen before. Inside powers the beast. Snapdragon 8 Elite, the same chip driving the Z Fold 7 and S25 Ultra. That means extreme speed, flawless multitasking, and future-proof 5G flagship performance. With all these panels, battery size is modest. Leaks point to a smaller battery than the Z Fold 7's 4,400 mAh, so expect great efficiency, but make peace with less raw juice. And here's the kicker. Expect a price tag close to 4 million won, approximately equals $3,000 USD, about double what the Z Fold 7 costs. That's steep, even for Samsung's premium tech. Samsung's going all in on foldable innovation, free displays, flagship chip, and compact portability. It's clearly aimed at power users and luxury seekers. But at that price and battery trade-off, will it earn your attention or just hype? Are you intrigued by the potential of a tri-fold pocket tablet, or is the price too wild? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your take. If this preview got your mind spinning, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for our full hands-on review later this year. Thanks for watching.